In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Ikea Projekt Card 2025 step by step. Let's get you signed in quickly and safely. First, open your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type Ikea Projekt Card Login. In the results, look for the official login page hosted by the card servicing bank. It should look professional, show a secure padlock icon in the address bar, and reference the card's official portal. Clicking the correct result will take you to the home page where the sign-in area is easy to spot. Once you're on the right page, click the sign in button or link to open the login panel. This brings up the fields you'll need to access your account. Start by entering your username. Type it exactly as you created it when you set up your account. If you use a password manager, this is a great time to let it fill in your saved username for you. If you're typing manually, take a second to confirm there are no extra spaces before or after the text, especially if you're on a phone or tablet where autocorrect might jump in. Next, enter your password. Most passwords are case sensitive, so match uppercase and lowercase letters exactly. If your browser offers to autofill the password, verify it's the most recent one you set. If you prefer to double check what you're typing, many login forms include an option to reveal the characters while you enter them. That's optional, but it can help avoid typos. Before you proceed, you can use any optional controls on the page that make signing in easier for you. These may include small on-screen prompts or toggles designed to improve your experience. Choose what works best for your device and your preferences. When everything looks good, click Sign In to submit your credentials. If the information is correct, you'll be taken straight into your account where you can view your balance, recent activity, and make payments. If the page takes a moment, that's normal. Give it a second to process. For a smoother experience next time, you can enable Remember Me. This typically stores your username on the device so you won't have to retype it. Only turn this on if you're using a private, trusted device. On shared or public computers, leave it off to protect your information. That's it. You've successfully logged in. For best results, bookmark the official login page for quick access, keep your browser updated for security, and always sign out when you're finished, especially on devices that other people might use. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing with your IKEA Projekt Card.